Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I was inspired to review some of the Glamnetic products. I'm a huge Sanrio, Pompompurin fan. A big fan of like Cinamaroll and Keroppi, reviewing these nails that were recently released from Glamnetic. This is not a sponsored video. I am just a big fan of Pompompurin. So I will be reviewing each one of these, and right off the bat they're so cute. I can't wait to put them on. They're so adorable. I'm not a big beauty queen or anything, but I just couldn't help myself. I love Cinamaroll so much, and I'm excited to give these a try. So here's the Keroppi set, and it looks really adorable. I love the shine of it in the background. I mean, each one looks so adorable. From reading it, it sounded like there were going to be many different sizes inside the box. And here are instructions on how to remove. I read online that these last for about 2 weeks, which I think is awesome. Start opening, and clearly I haven't done many things with my nails. That's alright. This is why I got these. There we go. Oh my god, they're so cute. So adorable. Yes. Oh, I see. They're like in there. Oh yeah, each one also comes with stickers. Oh my god, that's so cute. Keroppi, Glamnetic, Hello Kitty and Friends. Oh, so adorable. It's like summertime, so I think green would go really nice with the summer feel. And this is what it comes with. Some different size nails, which are really nice. Oh my god, so cute. The alcohol pad. Oh, even a nailing file. I read that this is for like your cuticles. You're gonna push back your cuticles before placing the nails. And then here's the glue. Oh my gosh. And it's green. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh. So cute. Alright, now for Cinamaroll. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. I think I read that that middle one's supposed to be a cloud. No. So cute. I'm gonna open this bad boy up in just a second. Alright, we're back here. And this out here. Ooh, so cute. Alright, just like the other one. So these are it. So adorable. Alright, let's see the stickers here. One second. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my gosh, Cinamaroll. So adorable. I love stickers, so any chance I get at getting at them. Oh, wow. These are beautiful. Oh my god. Just very cute, very cute. And just like the other one, has a little the alcohol pad and cuticle thingy, nail file, and then this is the glue for the nails, and it's blue. So adorable. Yep, love it. And the best for last, in my opinion, because Pompompurin is my favorite. Oh my god, it's his butt. I love it. So adorable. So cute. I am most excited about these. This Pompompurin, look at him, he's so cute. He's my favorite. So, yep. Alright, BRB. Oh wow, I didn't even record me taking out this one. I was too excited. Oh my god, look. Oh, Pompompurin. So adorable. I even like how like one is like a full nail and the other one's not, and oh, that's adorable. Yay, Pompompurin. So cute. Alright, sticker time. Wow. Oh, stop. Oh my gosh. Get cute. So cute. I love it. I love it. I'll never use these. Sometimes I collect stickers and I don't even use them because they're just too cute and I don't want to waste them. Oh my gosh. Pompompurin. Oh. So cute. They look kind of orangey on the other side, but these are it. Oh, it's so adorable. And yep, like the other ones, the alcohol pad, the cuticle sticky thing, and then all this, and then the yellow nail glue. So adorable. Alright folks, that's the end of the unwrapping. I put them back in their little boxes. I think I'm going to make another video putting these on just to see what they look like. I don't know when I'll post that because, well, since they each last 2 weeks, it'll take a bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just a huge Cinamaroll fan, so I thought, why not? I wanted to record unwrapping it because it's also exciting unwrapping something really cute. So yeah, alright.